In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Terra Luna Classic on Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. You can choose any of this wallet, but we're going to use MetaMask. Then choose your network, but make sure that the network that you are choosing supports Terra Luna Classic. For example, Polygon. You can see it here on the coinmarketcap.com under the Polygon network. You can just copy this address, go to Uniswap, click here, and then paste the address. Click here, and then type the amount of Matic you want to swap. For example, 0.01 Matic, and then click swap, click confirm swap, click confirm. And if you don't have a Terra Luna Classic on your MetaMask wallet yet, you can just click add Luna, click add token, go to your MetaMask wallet, click here, and now you can see that I have a total balance of 86 Luna in my MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Terra Luna Classic on Uniswap, leave a comment below.